Hey guys, and welcome to another Ready Yeti First Look. I'm Matt, and this week we're going to be checking out GrassRacks. GrassRacks makes high quality, sturdy, gorgeous wooden racks to proudly display your gear and safely store it. They started with ski and snowboard racks, but kind of moved on to just about everything. Really any awesome thing. Anything from obviously ski and snowboards to bikes, to stand-up paddleboards, surfboards, even wine and guitars. You know, the things that matter, really matter. Something that really sets these guys apart from a lot of other rack companies is their commitment to environmentally responsible manufacturing. It's actually one of the reasons that they specifically use bamboo as one of their main materials for making their rack. It's a highly sustainable material, and yet they still do what they can to minimize their waste wherever they possibly can. Today we're going to be checking out their Moloka'i, I don't know if I'm saying that right. Today we're going to be checking out their Moloka'i Series ski and snowboard rack. That's this thing. This rack comes in 4 different sizes, 1 to 4 racks. This is a 2-racker, just call it 2-racker. That could be a thing, because there's 2 spots. This rack works by using GrassRack's proprietary mounting bar. This thing. Makes installation super quick because you really only need to worry about mounting the mounting bar, and then you can install 2 separate cradles and even take them down if you don't want to keep them up year round, but at least you can keep them up whenever you need them. It allows the cradles to be adjustable so you can change the width to accommodate different bindings. So these 2 cradles can gently rock your skis or snowboard to sleep like a sweet newborn baby. Look at these. And a huge plus, I guess this is more specific to skis, is that since it just works as a rack system, you can lay them on the rack without having to worry about them being pressed together. Oftentimes with different ski racks, if you do press your skis together, you find that they are pressed, compressed with 2 dowels. It could warp the profile of the ski. Not great. This avoids that, which is great. The Moloka'i Series racks even have a utility hook, I guess 2 hooks, on the bottom of each cradle so that you can hang a helmet, gloves, fit like a little snow skate. If you got one, skateboard, you can hang stuff on it. Also a nice hook. Or honestly, even gear that you need to dry. I guess that makes sense. Yeah, that's probably what I would do. The Moloka'i rack only takes minutes to install and can support the weight of a small human or large baby hippopotamus. Do not quote me on that. So if that does not work out, I'd say honestly, maybe even more so a medium-sized giraffe. All right, fine. Medium-sized baby hippopotamus. Split the difference. The bamboo material of the Moloka'i rack is a nice neutral, natural wooden finish. If you do want something a little bit different, they also have these racks available in birch. They're unfinished, so you can finish them yourself. You can apply whatever finish you want. If you want something a little bit darker, a little bit lighter, you can basically match whatever the color scheme of the room is, which is nice. I mean, options are great. GrassRacks has been around for a while and is very committed to making sure that all of your favorite things are displayed perfectly and the way that you want them to be displayed. If you're looking for a simple, elegant, and just easy to set up solution for displaying and hanging your gear so you can just grab it and go, or have it set up as wall art, then I would definitely recommend checking out GrassRacks. They can hang. Do you see what I did there? Because it's a rack and like hanging out as a slang. It works on a few different levels. That's it for our first look of GrassRack's Moloka'i Series rack. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a comment below letting us know what you thought of this video. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel, give us a like, connect, let us know what you like, what you don't like. Let's just be internet friends. Just you, me, Ready Yeti, the good old prepared Sasquatch, the adequately acceptable Chupacabra, as we're called in some parts. That's it for now, and stay tuned for another Ready Yeti First Look coming at you next week.